Welcome viewers, today we are going to show you the unboxing of Kodak Mini Shot 3. It is a digital camera with the feature of instant photo printer. It has three boxes. The first box is for the camera, Mini Shot 3 photo printer, and the second box is for the cartridge, and let me show you the third box. It is also for the cartridge, 30 sheets each. Okay guys, it has three boxes. The one box I'm going to open, it's the camera, I think. Let me show you what's inside. Yeah, it includes the camera, the first box, a couple of handbooks. Let me open the camera. The photo printer has a lamination sheet on the front lens and have 4 buttons, 2 buttons on the upside. Let me on it, and there is a LCD, small LCD inside it, and it shows. Okay, I think I'm gonna take off the lamination sheet. Let it take off later. And it includes the data cable and the charging cable, we can say that, and the second one is a couple of handbooks and 2 papers, and the one is ribbon. Let's open the cartridge box. It has 3 number of cartridges, and each cartridge has 10 sheets inside. One cartridge is already inside the camera. The cartridge box is 3 by 3 inch, 30 sheets inside one box. And now guys, we are going to take our first photo, so let me show you the result. The camera got excellent results, but the printer will take up to 30 seconds to 1 minute to print the photo, so we have to wait, but it is a good camera.